Dude, I like I said, I just picture the Lucky Charms fucking mascot. Is that not St. Patrick? Like, that's the only image in my head when I think of St. Patrick's. H-Box beat Cody, you think? You think? Okay, that actually felt fast, but my beginning was kind of trash. But, like, I don't know. It probably wasn't it anyway. Maybe I'm tripping. Any mods? Oh, prediction. The doubters are waiting to get paid. Spin pounding's not faster in Cascade. A gay spin again. Oh no. What the shit? Tomorrow's stream will be, I don't know, I'll probably start with, so the 2 cycle sports are Frisbee Dog, skydiving, and regular bowling, I believe. I can't remember if there was another. I think there's only 3. So, I don't know, we could vote. I really don't care which one we do first. Dude, yeah, like, hey, bro, I checked the schedule, and then, like, I realized, like, right after fucking Top 32 was done, they were getting into Melee, and I'm like, oh, fucking Liam lied to my ass. And now I'm kind of cheesed, because I was fucking hyped to watch Melee after the fucking stream. But I'm missing it all for you guys. It's okay, look at this Cascade top 100. It'll be worth. I mean, we could just have a Melee watch party right now. But, like, I don't know. I kind of need to free run, you know? Yo, G-Bads. Zane Mango next. Fuck. Okay, how about we just watch Zane Mango? I want to watch it. I'm such a fucking Melee slave. I feel like we should at least watch like 1 set. Pause the timer. Oh my god, you're right. Perms to restream it? Honestly, yeah, I don't know. I feel like everybody just be fucking restreaming it, so I feel like it shouldn't be a big deal. But hey, you know what? We're just watching 1 set. I think we're fine. I mean, technically, yeah, you don't need a perm, but like, if VG Bootcamp or whoever like the stream is, if they really wanted, they could shut you down, but I don't think they will. But it really just comes down to if they want to. Also, okay, I don't even have the stream pulled up. 1 sec. Melee. All right. Just invert the colors. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, that's what I was literally about to say. That, right?
Wait, that's kind of loud. Is that loud?
Make it happen for your boy. Yeah, we gotta make that happen, bro. That would definitely be on brand, bro. All right, it looks like we're starting with the bird, folks. I think that makes a great deal of sense.
Oh shit. Okay, here.
Honestly, Mango's been practicing a lot more Falcon than Fox. We haven't seen him working his Fox back in the day.
Oh shit, it's Melee. Oh my god, it's Zane versus Mango. Dude, this is sick. What the fuck? I hope you guys like Melee. You better like Melee. What the fuck? Are you dumb? If you don't like Melee, reconsider everything ever.
Yeah, I think so. I mean, he's been playing Thorn a lot too. So.
He has. I mean, his route here was.
What is Melee?
Panda, Spark, and Trip, as well as Bab.
Oh,
That's a diverse group of characters
oh,
who play
I'm getting a knock on my door. I wonder who it is. One sec.
Going through Jade, Jude, Nikki, Magi, and Wally to get here. We're right into it, folks. Starting off Mega, big conversions. Rip, Shine here.
Oh.
the Blue Falco.
Yeah.
Oh, oh, we're watching Melee. Hey, pull up this fucking shit.
Oh, misses the conversion off that. Probably should have been a down, but okay, we're picking it up.
Yeah, this matchup, man, to me, okay, from a spectating point.
Oh shit, it's Shitty Shroud.
best matchups to
Hey,
watch.
get in here. You gotta get closer. They missed Shitty Shroud, dude.
Best matchups to watch.
You're watching our Bobby Lee through Laser. Falco.
Dude, it's Shroud. What the fuck? Dude, I've been living with Shroud this entire time, and most of you didn't even know that.
Like, especially in this stage, I think, I'm not gonna lie, Martin Williams, the Falcon can make a comment. Like, it's not just that close.
Simply Shroud? He's Simply Shroud.
Yeah, check your resources. Yeah.
Dude, why is Mango the blue Falco? That's different.
Oh, no, Zane, nice.
Good counter hit there. He's probably looking
I feel like Mango's usually white Falco.
There you go.
Mango, he's playing clean right now.
I mean,
Clean first game.
he's not giving Zane too much. But
No, this is actually exciting because I haven't seen Mango's Falco like this far in a tourney in like a while. I feel like it's been a minute. When Mango's Falco comes out, it fucking comes out, dude. Ooh, that recovery was kind of actually fucked.
Okay, yeah, jab there, should go.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Seems that right now, Mango's playing good. Puts the lasers to the perfect spots. Not really get power shots.
Wait, Ginger's not retired, is he? No? Okay, I was gonna say, like, I actually almost was gonna be like, oh, he stole Ginger's color, but, like, I didn't make the joke, because I guess now it's Mango's color.
That's the Falco thing. It's like, you just watch yourself like play super perfect.
Oh, and this was his last turn. Okay, so it's probably for Ginger, maybe, I would imagine. Ginger the homie.
It's too much.
Dude, why the fuck did Ginger retire? yeah, right. You know what you know what happens to Melee players? They always come back. Unless you're Mewtwo King or Armada, but let's be real. They're probably gonna play again. I hope. Please come back.
Oh my god, SCI's on the
Wait
laser
a
in the
minute,
corner.
okay. Oh, no, Zane, come on, man.
So on Twitter, it was a while back. He mentioned reasons. I mean, you know, life do just life sometimes. I guess Melee just, but Melee is life. That's the thing. So it's tough, right? No, I did not get top 100 in Cascade, but you know, I had to quickly watch some Melee because I mean, this is very important. Yes.
Don't you push me.
Right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh.
Getting their laser shine.
Yeah, GI's down though. He managed to
Catch
break out
March
of it.
dash sometimes if you don't get power.
That's so scary.
The shield of power shield doesn't matter.
Ooh.
Like this combo.
Ooh. Barely got away from that.
Go back. Double leg. Oh!
Just let's